In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Zoom app. If you're looking to get started with Zoom for your video conferencing needs, this straightforward guide will ensure you have the app up and running in no time. First, let's get our device ready. Begin by navigating to the Zoom website on your computer or laptop's internet browser. Once you're on the homepage, it's hard to miss the assortment of features Zoom offers, but today we're focusing on the installation. Look to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the profile icon. This icon usually represents your account settings and other personal preferences, and it's essential for guiding you to the download section. Click on the profile icon, and this step is crucial because it provides direct access to your account settings, allowing the download to be tailored for your specific needs. If you haven't logged into your Zoom account yet, this click will prompt you to do so. But don't worry, it's a quick process. Ensure you enter your credentials accurately to proceed smoothly. Now, once you have access to your account, the next phase is straightforward. Within the menu that appears, locate the option to download the Zoom app. This option is clearly marked, making it easy to find. Clicking it will lead you to a dedicated page for downloads. On the Downloads page, you'll find different versions of the Zoom app tailored to specific operating systems like Windows or Mac. Choose the appropriate version for your device. Here's a useful tip. Make sure your device meets the minimum system requirements for the Zoom app. This information is typically available next to the download link and ensures your installation and usage are hassle-free. Once you've selected the correct version, initiate the download. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few moments, so patience is key. After the download is complete, locate the downloaded file on your computer. It's often found in the Downloads folder or easily accessible through your browser's recent downloads. Open the downloaded file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts, which will guide you through a series of simple steps. Opt to install the software with default settings to ensure the app functions optimally without any undue complications. Once installed, the Zoom app icon should appear on your desktop or in your applications tray, depending on your operating system.